Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SaleOn K207B music player. There's an image of the music player right on top. This also functions as a multifunctional megaphone. This particular music player can play MP3 files, has USB 2.0 connectivity, also has a micro SD card slot and a USB-A slot as well. And it's perfect for teachers, coaches, speaking, presentations, etc. and also tour guides. And yeah, over here it says it has a rechargeable lithium battery, it comes with digital display, it has a breakpoint memory, automatic memory, last exit play point, and a knob switch for controlling the volume. We will open, okay, there's some more information here. Frequency response is 100 Hz to 15 kHz. Impedance is 2 ohms, output power is 5 watts. That's more or less it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. These are the components. We have a strap for carrying this particular speaker around. There you go. This is a strap for carrying this particular speaker around. This is a USB charging cable, a mini USB charging cable. Next up, we have two massive 2200 mAh batteries for powering this particular device. It's also rechargeable, so that's a great addition. We have a user manual for how to use this multifunctional loudspeaker. Everything that you want to know is detailed over here. This is, of course, the microphone that comes with it. So this is, like I said, this is a multifunction megaphone as well. So you can use, this is the microphone that you use to turn it into a megaphone. And this is the music player in question. This is the SaleOn K207B Multifunction megaphone and music player. It has this glossy red finish right on top. There's a lot of knobs and buttons over here. There's 1, 2, 3 to 0 basically for all different presets. The play pause button and track changing button over here, and this is your LCD display. This is of course the speaker by BKK Technologies. At the back you will notice that there's a strap for if you want to hang it to a to your jacket or something like that, or to a wall mount. You can do it using this particular clip over here. Batteries go in these two slots. I will just put the batteries in right now. So how do we put it? Okay, positive goes this way, and number 2, let's put them back in. Let's close the lids. Also notice that the back has this texture to it, this pretty rugged texture. So if this is basically a very this particular music player basically has a very rugged design. It will not scratch or break easily, that's for sure. At the top you have your on-off button and volume button that does the same function. This is the line in for the mic, and you have 2 more slots. There is a USB-A slot and a TF card or SD card slot right over here. I'm going to attach the mic to it and see if the megaphone functionality works. There you go. Oh, furthermore, there's also an antenna over here. This is for your FM radio. Okay, now let's see if this works. I will wear this mic now and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, when I turn it on, I'm getting this SP option over here. How do I change? Okay, I missed a couple of things. On this side, there is a mini USB charging port and a 3.5 mm jack for your headphones. And on this side, you have a mode button, a record button, and a switch button over here. So if I press the mode button, that was the radio. What happens when I press the record button? I think this needs a micro SD card in order to record audio or play it like a megaphone, but it seems to be working otherwise. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the SaleOn K207B Multifunctional Loudspeaker. Thank you for watching.